Hi, Ritmix 58. This is a warm-up. Let's go. We start with a pose.
I just died in your arms
Hug.
tonight.
To the front.
It must have been
The other
something
side.
you said. I just died in your
Hug.
arms tonight.
To the front.
Oh,
Let's go. Stretch. Put your heel on the floor. Go back. Toes up. Come back. The other side. Chest up. Switch. Stretch. Very good. Come back. Chassé march to the side. You got it. 4, 3, 2. Repeat. Very good. One more time. Now, double diagonal tap and mambo when you back. Mambo. Good. One more time. Chassé, double tap, mambo. You got it. One more time and watch now.
keep looking for something I
Hips.
can't get.
Side to side,
Broken
3
hearts
steps.
lie all around
Go.
me and I don't see an easy
Mambo,
way
hip,
to
side to
get
side.
out of this.
Give me 3. Diagonal,
Diary
tap.
sits on the bedside
Hips
table.
on place.
The curtains are closed.
come back.
The cat's in the cradle.
One more time.
Who would have thought that a boy
Very
like
easy.
me
Hips,
come to this?
come back. Are you ready to add arms?
Oh,
Watch, punch.
I just
Now turn on the mambo, open. Yes, one more time. Punch, turn, circle, again, very easy, turn, circle with your arm, very good, last time, everybody, watch now, open march, 3, 3, 2, 1, switch, march in place, one more time, let's go, switch. Very good. Now we change this for balance and hip change. Yes. One more time. Repeat. Give me 2. Hip. Now the same with arms up. Watch. Hack. Yes. One more time. Go up. You got it. Are you ready from the top? Remember? Diagonal. Double punch. Turn. Circle. Give me 3. Balance. Hack. Yes. One more time from the top. It's easy. Come back. Balance. Okay. Second part again. Go up. Watch. It's easy. Give me knee up and stop. March. Again. Knee up. Stop. More movements. Knee ball change for 2 and stop. Go up. You got it. Knee up. Stop. Last time. Do you remember the pose from the beginning? It's coming now. Yes. Woo. Okay. Time to stretch. Come on. Very good. Change. Heel back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Switch. Very good. Change. 4, 3, 2, 1. From the top.
I just died
Yes.
in your arms
Pose.
tonight.
Come back.
It must have been something
Balance.
you said. I just died in your
Knee up.
arms tonight.
Pose.
Oh,
From the top.
I just died
You got it.
in your arms
This is a
tonight.
warm-up.
It must have been something
Balance.
you said. I just died in your arms
Knee up.
tonight. Oh,
And last time for everybody.
I just died
Enjoy the
in your
music,
arms tonight.
the movements.
It must have been
Second part.
something you said. I just died in your arms
Knee up.
tonight.
Ball change and pose.
Oh,
And a big hug for the end.